Hi guys, welcome back. Today is a beautiful day, as you can see there on the right. It is 75 degrees and it is sunny out with no humidity. It's just gorgeous out. I'm going to take advantage of it and put up my Christmas lights. Ta-da! All done. Now when it gets dark out, I'll show you how it looks. All right, am I in? All right, so I found this surprise today. A dog obviously doesn't care for lavender. This is the dog, tore it right out of the garden. Here we go, let's go dig it back, place it back in. The hole is still a perfect circle from when I planted it last time. Well, here's my soil check. It's still damp, so that's good. I actually got footage today. That's a treat. You guys got me putting Christmas lights on. Voila! Ta-da! Thank you, Molly. There's Bob and there's Julia. Okay guys, this might be hard to really view because I do have my overhead light on and my neighbors have their porch light on, but I think you can still get a good idea. We'll do along first. So yeah, no, I'm missing some on the bottom right here. I think I might pick up one more strand. You can't really see it behind the shrubs, so it's never been, or last year it wasn't a concern, but I might do that just for my own aesthetics to have it complete. So, but here we go. I went with colored lights because Lana likes colored lights, and inside the house I like white lights, and that's why I do it. So I give her the outside. But I scatter them all around so they look like little twinkling lights in the window. There you go. Well, it appears that I got more Christmas lights. Around from the other corner.